Hello cruising friends, I'm Jenners and it's time for a cabin tour of room 8591 on the Navigator of the Seas. This is a promenade room, and of course all rooms on any Royal Caribbean ship will come with this little magnet that lets your cabin steward know if you need the room made up, if you're out and about, or if you are not wanting that to happen. Let's come on in here. So we had a promenade room, like I said. This is the last day, so please excuse the bed isn't really quite made as nicely as it could be. When you first walk in, at least on this one on the right hand side, we do have a place where you can hang all of your clothes. We did ask for extra hangers, and that was no problem at all. She brought more for us. And so as you can see, there's plenty of room to hang your clothes. These even come out here if you wanted to hang some other stuff there. Life jackets are there, but you don't need to take them to the drill with you. You can just leave them there. Some extra shelving, and of course you have a safe where you can set your own 4-digit code there. So plenty of room in the closet. Close that up. And also as you come in here, excuse me, on the left-hand side you do have a menu if you'd like to order room service. We have a couple of hooks if you wanted to hang something on that. I don't know what that is. Maybe you can put your soap there, not sure. Then right here we have pretty standard bathroom, so you always want to watch your step, always on a cruise ship when you're going into the bathroom. This is a nice shower, and pretty standard I'd say for cruise ships, but you do have the doors that close like this. You don't have that yucky shower curtain. There's also a clothesline there, so we utilize that. We hung up some of our wet bathing suits there. Now also, you don't have to bring your hair and body wash, as it is included, but I always bring my own. And then here we also have, as part of this mirror opens up, you can store some items in there. So I did want to show you, these are kind of the little packing, not really packing cubes, this is what I keep a lot of my stuff in, so this kind of stayed right there most of the time. I had another one underneath here, just like that, so if you have packing cubes or if you pack in this way, then you can definitely have plenty of room to put things like that. So we got just a nice sink area here. You get the little Royal Caribbean cups. And then coming this way, of course, you can have your bed split into two if you wanted to. And then did want to point out the ship was newly enhanced, but it does not have any plugs or outlets or anything like that next to the bed where some of the Oasis class ships do have that. What I like about this room is that there are two sofas, so it gives you space if you just want to sit and hang out, if you want to lay your clothes out for the next day. Just gives you a little more room. Now this is our view from the promenade. We're on deck 8, which is the top deck of the promenade view rooms. There's 3 levels, and it looks like they're getting ready to do a balloon drop for the next cruise. They did not do that for our cruise, which I think is fine. I think it's funny that Royal Caribbean has gotten rid of their plastic straws. They have paper straws now, but then they have all this plastic that's about to drop onto the promenade, so, but at least they are taking steps to kind of reduce their plastic waste. So it's kind of a neat view because you can people watch. Right here we're across from the bamboo room, so you can kind of just check out what's going on down there, see how busy it is. And then right here we had a refrigerator. And because we are Emerald, they gave us 6 water bottles when we first got here, along with some cookies. And so this area is kind of nice. That's usually where you can put out your paperwork for the day. Right here, if you need a hair dryer right there. So the room does always come with a hair dryer. A little extra space under there too. I just was storing like my little book bag. There's another one of those cubes that I use. And then these mirrors on both sides open up, so there is a little bit more room if you wanted to put some items inside there, but just don't forget them when you leave. Nice mirror here with a light. There I am, good morning. And as I spin back around here just to give you another look at the room. Another thing that was nice here, you got the TV, and we also have 4 drawers. So if you use packing cubes, you can just put your cubes right in the drawer. Easy enough. And there's also 1 drawer on your nightstand there with a little extra space. Well, okay guys, thanks for joining me. I'm Jenners. This is the Navigator of the Seas, Deck 8, 8591. Promenade Room. If you have any questions about the Promenade Room or any of the staterooms or anything about the Navigator of the Seas, leave me a remark below. And until next time, happy cruising. 8593 as well. I just wanted to show you this room because it was already made up and the beds are split. Kind of opposite of what we had. I'll just show you a quick little view here. Another promenade room. There it is. I love having a promenade room because you can spy on people. We just heard people cheering, so we looked out. It's a sale! T-shirts, 2 for $20. Everyone's going nuts. We picked some out. We spent a long time that one time. I think it was on the Harmony. We picked some shirts out, but then the line was so long to buy them that we were just like, forget it. And then Cheryl and I in the Harmony, it's funny because that time, like, no one really cared, so we were able to pick out some shirts, and we both got that pink one right on the end there. I think that's the one. They act like it's free. And they've got watches too. It's funny. Not a long line right now. This is what it looks like, my friends. That's the promenade. It does get a little crowded when they do these sales. You want a shirt, honey? No? How'd those kids get in the car? The car is locked. People just like put their kids in there. It's locked, but we'll still put you in. This guy's trying to get in now. What is she doing? It's like not even 11 o'clock yet, but apparently people have been drinking already.